That's lovely. Over there. Over there. Hey, it's Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and today we're doing the coolant pump and the coolant tank that goes underneath the bed for this 840 horsepower Demon Gladiator build, and then some bits and pieces. I'm not exactly sure what they're doing today, but it's going to be exciting nonetheless. Let's get into it.
We are going to do the tank that goes in the back of the truck here. It's a coolant tank for the supercharger. We run lines from up front all the way down the frame to the tank. There's also a pump that'll get mounted onto the frame with a bracket, and we'll get all that lined in, pump put together, and then hopefully that'll be a good run for today.
Guarantee for that you gotta pay. She said she'd fix my body in that old-fashioned way.
Pump and the bracket are all mounted in now fully. The tank's in there fully. I've got all the hoses on the back end done and all the fittings and everything in there. Now I'm just starting to run, as you can see, I'm starting to run the hoses to come up. And they're gonna come up to here. And then the second hose will run along, and it'll follow that, and then it'll both be up here for the coolant hoses for the supercharger.
Nice.
Yeah, so come along.
This is the squeeze. She fed me with the soup spoon and fed me. Tripping like a baboon on the Serengeti. She said the second session, she said Saturday sounds so sweet. She said she'd fix my ankle, put the rhythm in my feet. Dr. Juice, the sister squeeze, Dr. Juice. Sister squeeze. Dr. Juice. Sister squeeze.
Everything's run up on both sides of the chassis from the tank. On either side, comes all the way down, joins in the middle, goes up to the manifold, and the other one will go to the inner coolant. Eventually, once we get all that, we'll finish all that up. I ran the wiring to this point. Once the body's on, then we can run it up and over to the computer. And now next I'll be starting to run the exhaust. Hopefully I'll get the two manifolds in the white pipe. We'll see if we can get a little more done after that.
Okay, so they are going to finish heat wrapping the Y pipe for the exhaust, and then it's kind of onto a whole bunch of little dinky things and hooking up lines and things like that before they drop the body, which we'll be back for to watch happen tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Beardo White Rock Dodge, thanks for watching.
Juice.